Hey guys, it's Lucas from Eurow here, and welcome back to Microfiber Mondays. Today we're going to be learning how to color code our microfiber towels. This will help cleaning efficiency and also help prevent cross-contamination. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, these are the towels that we're going to use for this video. For stainless steel or metal surfaces, we will be using the red microfiber towel. This is perfect for stovetops, refrigerators, etc. Next, for kitchen countertops, let's use the green towel. Then we'll use the yellow towel for living room surfaces, shelves, railings, etc. And finally, for cleaning up the bathroom, let's use the blue microfiber towel. And there you have it, guys. Now you know how to color code your towels for cleaning. Again, this is going to make cleaning so easy, so organized, and also it's going to help prevent the spread of germs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. Follow us on our social media and leave a comment down below on how you color code your towels. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next Microfiber Monday.